Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case which is based on the principle of natural justice. In this case, the assessee challenged the notice under section 148A clause B on the pretext that this notice has not been received by the assessee on the email ID of the assessee, although the revenue has demonstrated through the delivery report that the notice has been duly served at the address and there was no dispute created by the assessee about the address. So whether in this type of scenario the assessee can challenge the notice merely on the basis that it has not been served on the assessee on the email. This issue has been taken by Honorable Delhi High Court in the case of Mahabir Singh June versus Income Tax Officer and another, and this case is reported in 467 ITR at page number 664 and the date of the judgment is 1st April 2024. In this case, when the writ petition was filed before the Honorable Court that the notice under section 148A clause B should be quashed because this notice has not been served on the assessee through mail, although this notice had been served on the assessee through the speed post. The court said that section 148A clause B has been introduced to provide an opportunity to the assessee to show cause that why the proposed action against the assessee should not be taken. The court said that in section 148A clause B, a minimum period of 7 days and a maximum period of 30 days has been provided to the assessee to give his objections against the proposed action, and the principles of natural justice depends upon the facts and circumstances of each case. The court said that this requirement is a legislative expression of principle of natural justice, more specifically the rule of odi adultum partem, and if the assessee has received the notice through mail, if the assessee has not received the notice through mail but has received the notice through the speed post, then in that case it was the duty of the assessee to respond and to object the notice under section 148A clause B, and the assessee should not have raised this quarrel unnecessarily because the principle of natural justice has been followed by revenue in delivering the notice to the assessee through the speed post, and it was evidenced by the delivery report placed on record by the department. The court said that if the elements of fairness is shown and effective compliance is demonstrated, then the court cannot construe it as a breach of principle of natural justice. The court said that in the present case, the delivery report of the service of the notice at the address of the assessee has been there, and there is no quarrel by the assessee regarding the address on record and about the delivery report. So in the present case, the only quarrel raised by the assessee that the notice has not been served through email cannot be entertained, and that is not the mandate of section 148A clause B. The mandate of section 148A clause B is that the assessee should be provided a reasonable opportunity to respond to the notice, which in the present case has been given by the department to the assessee, so the writ petition of the assessee cannot be entertained. Friends, this case is very important because we should not try to raise the unnecessary quarrels, and if we have received the notice, then we should respond to the notices at least at the initial levels so that we can object the notice in a lawful manner and not to raise the unnecessary issues. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Mahabir Singh June versus Income Tax Officer and another, and this case has been reported in 467 ITR at page number 664. The matter has been decided by Honorable Delhi High Court on 1st April 2024. Thank you, friends.